काटो कैसे राता ओ सांवरे, जिया नहीं जाता सुन बावरे के राता लंबे रे कटे तेरे संगया रे के राता.
Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. Today's video is going to be all about a very easy makeup look that you can do for the festive season, for Diwali or maybe for the wedding season that's coming up super soon. And the best part is कि मैंने जो भी आज makeup products use किए हैं वो सारे ही under 300 rupees है. मतलब देख के लग रहा होगा ना कितने expensive products लगाए हैं, but trust me ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. सारे ही products बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है and they are totally value for money. It's like a very classy and sophisticated traditional look you can say, and I'm so excited to share all the details with you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started with today's makeup video. So makeup start करने से पहले मैं जल्दी से अपना स्किन केयर कर लेती हूँ guys, and मैंने अपना फेस वॉश ऑलरेडी कर लिया है and my skin just feels so dry and like dull right now, and it's time to get that glow back. So I'm going to be using the Plum Goodness 15% vitamin C serum along with this beautiful facial oil. It's also from Plum Goodness. It's their grapeseed and sea buckthorn facial oil, and I'm so happy to be collaborating with Plum Goodness for this video because you guys know I'm a big time fan of this product. Plus this facial oil is again a very beautiful product. So I'm going to start off with this 15% vitamin C serum. It comes in this amber bottle just to protect the vitamin C from light exposure, because once it comes in contact with light it's going to become inactive. And I'm sure आपने मुझे इस सीरम के बारे में अपने previous videos में भी बात करते हुए देखा होगा, simply because I absolutely love this product. First of all, vitamin C has a lot of benefits. It just gives a beautiful glow on the skin. It brightens the skin. It reduces the dullness and hyperpigmentation, dark spots on the skin. It's a beautiful antioxidant as well. So which is why a vitamin C serum is a must in my skincare regime. And now this particular vitamin C serum from Plum Goodness has a lot of beautiful ingredients. First of all, it has ethyl ascorbic acid, which is the most stable form of vitamin C. It also has Japanese mandarin, which actually boosts the performance of vitamin C and also collagen production. Plus it has a beautiful ingredient which is kakadu plum, which is the richest plant source of vitamin C. So this little product has my heart. Now if I talk about the texture guys, it is extremely lightweight as you can see, and this is also non-greasy, plus a fragrance free vitamin C serum. It does not have any nasty chemicals, so that's a good thing because Plum is 100% vegan and clean beauty brand. जब मैं इसको रात में लगा के सोती हूँ ना guys, next day I wake up with such a beautiful glow and radiance on my skin. So this is the must. अभी तो obviously यार दिवाली का टाइम है, आगे wedding season भी आ रहा है, तो it is very important to have like a beautiful glowy and radiant skin. So I just applied the vitamin C serum. As you can see के एक instant ना glow सा आ गया है skin पे, plus बहुत जल्दी absorb हो चुका है. And now it's time to apply this beautiful facial oil from Plum Goodness, which is their grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow restore face oil. Now it comes in a beautiful glass bottle packaging, which I really like. It's like a blend of 10 natural and plant derived oils, which makes the skin very smooth and supple, really soft, radiant and glowy, because इसमें इतने अच्छे 10 different type के oils है ना. It is lightweight and non-greasy. I'll just show you the texture. So yeah, this is super duper lightweight. So it has vitamin E oil first of all, which deeply moisturizes the skin and keeps it healthy. It also has fatty acids to protect, repair and nourish the skin, and it just kind of keeps the skin very glowing and healthy and radiant. My skin feels super duper nice, hydrated, nourished after using this glow restore face oil. And winters में तो I'm definitely sure this combo is going to become my absolute favorite to achieve my glow goals. अगर आपकी भी dull and dry and dehydrated skin है, I would recommend you guys this combo. Definitely check it out, and I'm going to leave the links of both the products in the description box below for you guys. I also have a code जिसको use करके आपको additional 10% off भी मिल जाएगा, so don't forget to use that code as well. And how can I forgot to mention that Plum actually recycle their packaging. They have this really cool hashtag empties for good program wherein everyone can send back their empty products for recycling and also earn reward points. How cool is that, right? Next up, time for the lip prep. It's also again very important. second, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite Plum Candy Melts lip balm. It just smells so delicious, plus it's really moisturizing at the same time. So yeah, skincare, lip care, everything done. Let's move on to the makeup now, and for that I'll be using this NY Bae Brightening Primer. So this is a silicone-based primer, and at the same time it has like very teeny tiny shimmer particles, so it's going to give me like a beautiful glow as well. Primer is done. My skin feels so smooth right now. It's a beautiful primer under a budget. Now it's time for the color correction. For that I will be using my Insight Pro Conceal palette. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love this orange color corrector. I've hit pan, you can see. So yeah, इसको मैं जल्दी से use कर लूँगी. To color correct my pigmented areas, basically I'll be using this Cuffs and Lashes concealer brush. For the foundation, I'll be using the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. वैसे तो इसकी MRP is more than 300, but ये बहुत ही सही discounts पे मिल जाता है. Even I bought it for 299 rupees and it's still at a discount at like 305 rupees on Amazon plus on Nykaa as well. काफी अच्छा foundation है guys, matte finish देता है, plus काफी seamlessly blend हो जाता है skin में, skin like finish आती है इससे. Plus you can build up the coverage if you want, or if you want like a medium coverage, you can just apply a little bit of this. It's an amazing foundation under a budget guys. Definitely grab this one. Time for the concealer. I will be using this Stars Cosmetics foundation. Basically it's a refill packaging जो कि आपको बहुत ही सही affordable price में मिल जाती है, and it's a high coverage foundation, so I'm just going to simply use it as my concealer today. Time to set the base using my Nykaa Compact. This is their all day matte compact powder. The shade that I have is Sand 04. I've been using this recently and it's a beautiful compact under a budget. Comes with a mirror यहाँ पे ना. So ये मैं जल्दी से use कर लेती हूँ using my Cuffs and Lashes powder brush. Taking a smaller brush, I'll again pick up the compact powder and set my under eye area as well as my eyelids. You know, a smaller brush actually targets like small areas in a better way. काफी अच्छे से and properly set हो जाता है आपका under eye area and eyelids, so creases नहीं आते हैं foundation के. To make sure that my face does not look very powdery, I'm just dabbing my beauty blender on top of the base. For my eyebrows, I'm not going to do much honestly because I have pretty dark and bushy eyebrows. But still, I'm going to use this Charmasi Milano's eyebrow pencil. I use this so much. I've been only using this particular eyebrow pencil ever since I got this. So I'll just quickly fill in my यहाँ पे ना थोड़े थोड़े जहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स है मेरे आईब्रोज में. I'm just gonna fill in quickly. I never used to use an eyebrow pencil before, but I feel कि हल्का सा definition से ना थोड़ा better लगती है eyebrows. I just like to blend the eyebrow pencil using my fingers. It just looks more natural that way. And on the other side, it comes with a spoolie, so that's a good thing. I'll just quickly brush my eyebrows. For my eyes today, I'm going to use the Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette, a bomb eyeshadow palette under a budget. Very beautiful, and the shades are very pigmented, plus the shimmers are equally beautiful. So I'll just pick up this particular shade as my transition shade. To intensify the crease, I'll be using the Cuffs and Lashes Cupcake Bronzer in the shade Coconuts. I am going to hit pan. मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा use करती हूँ ये. Can't even tell you, on my eyelids, on my face as a bronzer obviously. बहुत use करती हूँ मैं इसको. It's my favorite shade. So I'll just quickly use it to intensify the crease area. Just going to intensify a little more using this particular shade from the Mars Fantasy 15 palette. थोड़ा सा लेके I'm just gonna intensify like the outer area. I'm gonna pick up this particular shade from the same palette to kind of apply in my inner area of the crease, you can say. मतलब हल्का सा मुझे warmth चाहिए वहाँ पे, so मैं हल्का लगा लूँगी over here. For my eyelids, I'm gonna pick up this particular shade right here. It's a beautiful shade, and I think जो मेरे कुर्ते पे embroidery है ना उसके साथ काफी अच्छे से match करेगा. So I'll just apply this on my eyelids. I did not know कि इतना ज़्यादा pigmented होगा. I mean, this is too much. After that, I'm gonna pick up this beautiful hot pink shade a little bit, not too much, because I believe it's very pigmented. Yeah, it is very pigmented. So मैं इसको हल्का सा ना अपने outer area में लगा लूँगी, and basically वो जो brown shadow है उसके साथ diffuse कर लूँगी. So हल्का I'm just gonna place it. Okay, this is very pigmented, man. Anyways, मैं दूसरी तरफ से इसको blend कर लेती हूँ. और हल्का गाइस क्रीज में भी I'm gonna blend the same shade. I'm gonna apply the same shade on my lower lash line as well. And on top of the dark brown shade, I'm applying the same hot pink shade. और आज के मेकअप लुक के लिए मैं just एक simple smudged काजल लुक करने वाली हूँ. Really like this Bellora Paris kajal. It's an amazing kajal under a budget. So I'll just quickly tightline my lower waterline. So I'm gonna apply this a little bit on my lash line as well, so that I can smudge that easily. Using the same kajal, I'm just gonna tightline my upper waterline as well. Now for the mascara, I'm going to use my Faces Canada's Magnetized Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. There was a time when I used to love this mascara so much. I still love it, by the way, because it's such a good mascara under a budget. It's washable and it just makes the lashes so like beautiful and voluminous. Before applying the second coat of the mascara, I'll just quickly use this lash curler to curl my lashes a little bit. Just look at my lashes, guys. You can see the difference yourself. And now I'll just apply the second coat of my mascara. My lashes look so lengthy and voluminous after applying just 2 coats of the mascara. So yeah, definitely a great mascara. Now it's time to do the face makeup. I'll just start off with the bronzer now. I'm going to use the same Cuffs and Lashes Cupcake bronzer in the shade Coconut. Like I said कि ये मेरा बहुत ही ज़्यादा favorite bronzer है, तो मैं इसको बहुत time से use कर रही हूँ. So yeah, I'll just quickly bronze up my face a little bit. Time to add a flush of color onto my cheeks, and for that I'm going to use the Cuffs and Lashes Cupcake blush in the shade, I think it's called Tripping For You. Again, something which I've been using so much. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है मुझे ये shade. It just looks so beautiful, guys, on my skin tone. I mean, it's like a very beautiful cool toned pinky blush. There's a hack that I do so much every single time I do my makeup. It's basically take any compact or loose powder on your beauty blender and kind of, you know, add it over here so that your contour appears to be crisp. You see the contour looks much more defined after doing this hack. So yeah, this is something that I do all the time. Time to add some shine and glow to the face, and for that I'm going to use this highlighter. It's a baked highlighter, I believe, from this brand called Exposed by In Color. काफी अच्छा affordable option है ये. And अब finally lipstick की बारी आ गई है, and for that I'm going to use the Mars Non-Transfer Butter Stick in the shade 7 Job Interview. You see, it's so pigmented, plus it just glides on like a butter. It's a butter stick, so yeah, it glides on so smoothly, and the best part is that once it dries down, it becomes transfer proof, you guys, and it's very long lasting as well. The only thing is कि इसका जो formulation है, that's a little bit drying, so make sure you do your lip prep before using this particular lipstick. Done with my makeup, guys, और अब आती है makeup को set करने की बारी ताकि makeup long lasting बन जाए as well as intact रहे. And for that I will be using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. It gives a natural finish. It has aloe vera and vitamin E, and it's the only makeup fixer under like 300 rupees, which I would recommend you guys. It's just that I don't like its Vim Bar jaisi smell. Other than that, it's a beautiful makeup fixer. So I'll just quickly spritz this all over my face. And with that, I'm done with my makeup look, guys. Let me know what you think about it, as well as मैंने kind of एक half updo कर लिया है because I'm having a bad hair day today. So that's what I have done पीछे की तरफ. And I've put on a bindi as well. Plus this choker and stud set is from Amazon. My outfit is from Biba. Although this kurta has like a closed neck, but honestly मुझे ये choker ऐसे काफी अच्छा लग रहा था, you know, overlap करते हुए. So which is why I went for this choker. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this easy peasy traditional makeup look that you can do either for Diwali or for the wedding season that's coming up super soon. So yeah, let me know कि आपको आज की video कैसी लगी. If you want to check out any of the products that I use in today's video, सारे ही product links would be mentioned in the description box below for you guys. अगर आपको video अच्छी लगी हो, then please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, I will be leaving all the links for you in the description box below as always. And most probably this video will go live on Dhanteras. So happy Dhanteras and wish you a very very happy and prosperous Diwali in advance. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.